The item gallery is preloaded with thousands of items from trusted partners, wholesalers, growers, and suppliers for use in events. Each partner has their own collection, which showcases the items they offer. In addition to partner collections, there is an all items collection, which includes both preloaded items and any items you add, as well as the My Items collections, containing items that have been added or edited. New collections can be created by clicking the plus icon at the top right corner of the item gallery page. To help organize the collections, a title, description, and background color or photo can be chosen. To add items to a collection, simply open any existing collection and select the items to include. After selecting the desired items, click Copy at the bottom. To add them to a collection, return to the Item Gallery homepage, select the collection, then click Paste at the bottom of the screen. New items can be manually added by selecting the plus icon and choosing New Item. An image can be uploaded from the computer or through a URL link. The item type can be selected in the Details tab. For example, under Blooms and Greenery, the default cost per stem and the number of stems per bunch can be entered. For items like vases and rentals, the default cost and rental price, as well as the inventory available, can be entered. In the Colors tab, the desired color can be chosen from the color palette using the hue bar and dropper. Once the color is selected, clicking Add to Selection will confirm the choice. The Availability tab allows you to select the months the item will be available or unavailable. After saving all the information, the item will automatically be added to the collection. To find specific items, use the search bar on the left side of the item gallery. The search can be done across all items or within the current collection by name, type, color, or availability. Each collection has a table view that provides a spreadsheet-style format for viewing and updating information such as rental price, inventory, and default cost. Deleted items can also be viewed at the bottom, and an export list of items is also available. A global symbol on the right side of each item indicates the specific grower, wholesaler, or supplier associated with the item. After selecting all items, the recipe building process can begin.